What's that you hear? A little summer rain? Time to clean out your condensate drain. So we're up here in the attic, and the goal today is to clean out these white PVC pipes, otherwise known as your condensate drains for your HVAC units. And the best time to do this is actually when it's raining. The reason is we're going to be pouring some white distilled vinegar down these condensate drains, and if you have any lawn nearby, flowers, it could kill them if you don't have some rain to dilute it. So a key step whenever you're doing some HVAC maintenance is always to shut off the main source of power to your unit. The condensate drain is going to have this white little cap on top, and some of them are a beast to get off. Try not to use pliers or any power tools because you could strip it right off. So that'll expose the tube right there, and what you're going to do is you're going to fill something pourable where you could get either a quarter cup or a half cup of the white distilled vinegar inside and just pour it on down there. Patience is key. We're going to let this sit about a half an hour, and this is actually going to trickle outside of the house. So here we have the two PVC pipes that we saw up in the attic that we poured the vinegar down, and this is where it's going to come out. So as you can see, I don't have any precious flowers or shrubs here, but I do have my wonderful Bermuda grass that I would rather not kill. Unfortunately, the rain has also let up. So the game plan is going to be, I'm going to have somebody stand out here to kind of hose off this area and dilute it. And now we are flushing it. All right, let's see, that was about 1 cup there. We're just going to save that for the other drain. And we're going to rinse and repeat on this other one. For the final step, just don't forget to restore power to both your units. So servicing your condensate drains is preventative maintenance. It should be done once every 3 months or so. And it just helps to clear out any potential clogs in the condensate drain lines. Clogs in these lines could actually lead to this pan underneath your unit filling up if they get clogged, and then your unit will shut off. And this is one of the most common causes of an HVAC call, and usually results in a pretty hefty bill.